Vapor headlight restoration. I have some really terrible headlights and I bought this kit on Amazon for $22. Kind of thinking it was a joke and there's no way that this could actually work. So I followed the instructions and I wet sanded the headlights using the lower grit first and then finishing it off with the higher grit. I wiped it all down and make sure that they were dry. And now I'm gonna put this kit together. It's a 3-piece kit. It comes with this acetone/UV mixture that you put into this cup that actually heats up. You plug it in and you let it sit for about a minute, and then you literally just run the vapors right over the headlight. That is insane. I was absolutely blown away that it actually works, and the headlights look fantastic. This is the before, and this is the after. Try it out for yourself.